living and non-living things. Dear children, today let's know what are living and non-living things. Living things: boy, cat, plant, women are living things. Ball, pencil, train are non-living things. What are living things and what can living things do? Come, let's see together what can living things do. Living things can grow. Living things can become big from small. For example, a baby girl. In the picture you can see a picture of a baby girl. A baby girl grows into a woman. A baby boy grows into a man. So living things can grow. It can become bigger. Can you see the picture of a seed? If you plant a seed, it grows into a plant. So living things can grow. It can become big by themselves. It can grow. But non-living things do not grow by themselves. A ball. Can a ball become bigger by themselves? No. Living things can move by their own. The man and the cat can walk. In the picture you can see the man is walking in the field, in a rice field, and the cat is also walking very happily. So living things can walk, living things can run, and living things can fly. A bird can fly. But non-living things cannot move on their own. We human beings or animals move the non-living things. For example, train. Can a train move by their own? No. A driver moves the train. Can a pencil move? No. We write with our hands. We move a pencil with our hand. It cannot move. Can a pencil run? No. A pencil, a train, it cannot move on their own. Living things need food and water. We are living things. We are human. We are living things. We need food and water. Without food and water, we cannot live. The boy is eating water and rice and vegetable. Then the boy will grow to a man. A baby eats food and it grows every day. The second picture you can see a picture of a panda. He is eating bamboo leaves. Even plants need water to grow. So living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Do a table need food to grow? No. Do your chair need food? No. So non-living things do not need food and water. So let's identify living and non-living things. The first picture you can see a picture of a tree. Can you tell whether it is a living or non-living things? Yes, plants are living things. A tree is a living thing. It can grow. It needs water. Yes, tree cannot move from one place to another, but it can grow and it needs food. So plants, trees are living things. The second picture you can see a picture of a girl. She is singing. So girl is a living thing. The third picture you can see a boy is watching TV. So boy is a living thing. Boy can move. Boy needs water. A boy can grow. But TV is a non-living thing. TV cannot grow. It cannot walk. Can a TV walk? No. Pencil is a non-living thing. The same way, house. Our house cannot run. Our house do not need water or food. So house is a non-living thing. So in the last picture you can see a picture of a zoo. So can you identify the non-living and living things? Yes? Okay, we can see a lion. We can also see a picture of a zebra and some boys and trees. So, trees, animals, and plants are living things. But the cage is a non-living thing. So, in chapter, what you have learned? Living things can grow. Living things move on their own. Living things need food and water. Non-living things cannot grow. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Non-living things do not need water and food. So some living things are man, women, fish, plants, etc. And some non-living things are chair, table, TV, house. So dear children, thank you for watching this video.